Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. We're doing another car. This is another SCX car, and it comes in a plastic case. I'm just kind of pre-doing things here. It's a Porsche 911 GT3. SCX made a really good Porsche 911. They were really fast. The club car that they made back in 2009 had a really fast motor in it. I mean, I can't remember. It was like almost 30,000 RPM. I mean, this thing was so fast. It was unbelievable. Anyways, I like this car. I think it's pretty cool. This is a nice deco, and it's got the headlights up here. Now, these don't actually work. So the first thing you have to do is you have to pop off the retaining plastic thing that holds it in. Remove that, and then that will just pop off. I've already taken the screws off just for time purposes. So here's the car, the inside of the car. You got your typical SCX car from the SCX days. You got your motor, which has your two prongs, your circuit that goes to your guide pin, and these are the two prongs that are coming from your guide pin. Always want to make sure these are bent down correctly so that when you put your guide pin in, it's going to make good contact with those braids. See, like right there, you want to make sure those braids are touching. See, right there. Okay, that's important. Now, in another car, in a fly car, they have direct wires. Okay, so you don't have this technology. I mean, this is the technology that SCX made. I don't like it, and I told them that. But an inventor that makes this thinks his invention is great. But, sometimes inventions just don't work. Okay, and that's the problem. But they're nice cars. Don't get me wrong. A lot of people will direct wire wires right to the guide pins to do away with all this. Now, this is your lighting circuit for your lights, because you have two prongs here, right here and right here. And that's for the lighting circuit, so that if we put this on here like this, okay, so let's turn this camera in here a little bit so that we can... Let's see here. I got to get this set up right. I got this new tripod that's kind of really, it's almost like a snake. Okay, I got to get that plugged in here, man. I got maybe it's the wrong lane. Yeah, let's do this hand throttle. Let me change that. Okay, so when you put the chassis on, the lights should come on. Yeah, see, they're on. Okay, that's good. So we'll just kind of do a quick run here. We're not getting any speed here, and I wonder why that is. Okay, you want to check the prongs. Want to check the prongs? There we go. That's the thing. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. Forgot to get your braids, Brian. That was a big mistake you made. There we go. Alrighty. So, now that we have that, now we can put the body on. But it's basically just things you want to check. You want to check, make sure your ball bearings have not popped out. Okay, you want to make sure that your motor hasn't popped out. Just a little thing. You just want to check the car. Make sure that these haven't popped out, because sometimes in shipping, these will pop out and they're laying inside. They're not broken, they're just popped out. You just have to snap them back in. And you just snap them back in just like that. So that is the Porsche 911. And the item number is A10219 Porsche 911 GT3 Rally Duez. I'm not great with foreign languages, sorry. Anyway, it's a nice car. Look at the decoing. See, SCX really improved their decoing over the last 5 years. Now, the current SCX company is out of business. There's a new company that's bringing product in. I haven't brought it in yet. I'm looking at bringing it in. I don't think I'm going to be able to bring it in this Christmas, but... getting it in for next year. Anyways, that's Brian Young, SCX Tech, or not SCX, ProTinkerToys.com. I was with SCX so long, I keep saying that. Anyways, ProTinkerToys.com. That's the Porsche 911. Out.